What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video we're checking out FlexClip, a new, I guess not new, it's an AI-based video editor that gives you a ton of tools to create or annotate or add to video content that you've created already on YouTube or that you are creating for YouTube or other platforms. I'm going to go in and show you some of the features here and try some of them out and let you know what I think of it. So we're going to go ahead and choose Login. And I'm going to log in with my email address. Let's add this in. I am not a robot. All right, so we are greeted with our projects here. We can see that we have recent projects as well as most popular templates here that we can use to create videos and especially for social media, special pre-made videos that we can use and customize. So for example, if we wanted to customize this one, which looks pretty cool, we have created one of the greatest apps. All right, let's see. We can open this on up. We can import our own media. So if I wanted to drag in a bunch of pictures and content, we can just go ahead and choose those. So let's grab some random stuff here. Let's open that one. And I'll drag this logo in, and that should be fine. So now we can watch. We have all of our individual templates here. We can click on each individual piece. We can adjust, rotate, and replace any of these images. Same goes with the text. We can just double click on here and edit any of the text here and change any of the styles. So, Mike the Tech, follow Mike the Tech. And then we can adjust the size of it here as needed. And it'll just work. Looks great, works great. So that's how you can create clips and videos. And the templates really help out with this because there's just a ton to choose from. The social media ones especially nice because there's things you can use for pretty much anything, like 5 digital marketing tips. You could change this to 5 technology tips or 5 gaming tips and then just replace your videos and content in there. Makes it really easy to create content online. So let's go ahead and look at what else we have here. We have our media settings where we can upload all of our media files, and we can upload from Google Drive, Google Photos, from our phone, or directly with local files. We have text, which we can add in different types of text here and drag those in, and all of these different elements. So that's really cool, but let's go back to FlexClip and take a look at some of their other features. Let's not save this one. Now, what happens if we choose create a video? Let's go ahead and choose 16 by 9 because that's what my video is like. And we're going to upload our entire YouTube video here. And let's drag this into our scene. Now the entire video is here. So what can we do with this? If we head down to subtitle, we can see that we have auto AI subtitle. It'll identify and generate subtitles through AI automatically. Let's go ahead and click on this. We can choose what language this is, as well as which content to generate audio for, scene and audio. We're going to go ahead and choose all and hit next. And we can choose the type of subtitles we'd like. I tend to like this style because it stands out on any background. We can also choose double lines if we like, or single lines. Let's go ahead and leave single lines and hit generate. This process will take a short time. All right, so the transcription has finished and we can see that all of these subtitles are here. And you can just go through and double check that everything is correct, because sometimes, like especially in tech where you're talking about specific product names that aren't normal or spelt normally, like Plex or something like that, it might not spell it correctly, so you might have to jump in and change some of these. But thankfully it's really easy to edit. So for example, if stable diffusion wasn't correct, or you wanted to even add on to this, you could say stable diffusion 0.1.6, even though that's not the version. I just wanted to show an example. And then when you click on it and hit play, you can see that it goes perfectly timed with the words, and it works really well. So this is what I'm mainly going to be using it for, because it is so versatile in adding descriptions to your videos. And I think it's going to be useful because a lot of people like listening without sound, and it just kind of keeps engagement going as well. It just gives the user something to do in some boring long talk topic, at least they could read along and not have to just listen to you drone on about something for 10 minutes straight in the case of some of my YouTube tutorials. So having automatic AI transcriptions timed to the video itself, super useful, and I think I'm going to use that a lot. Now, in terms of actual content creation, we actually have text to video, AI image generation, AI video scripts. So you can actually click on this and say, I want to make a video about new features in Windows 11. And then it'll be a short duration. We'll hit generate, and we can see that it starts giving you an idea for a video. And obviously you'll have to change some of this, but you can see it even talks about some of the new features and the gaming experience in Windows 11. It's literally making an entire video from scratch using AI. And I think this is really useful. If you're having a writer's block, you're really not sure what to actually make, you can go through this AI video designer and essentially have everything made for you. We can go back to tools and we can try out some of these other ones. We have text to speech. So for example, if we wanted to use one of these, we can actually type in, hey everyone, and then you can preview it.
Hey everyone.
And we have a AI that can actually speak for us, and you can choose all of these different languages, all of these different voices as well. Let's try out one of the processors here. We have AI to image generation. We can try that. So let's say digital art render of a majestic lion in front of desert plains, and let's generate, and there we go. We have a digital render of a majestic lion standing in front of some desert plains. Works well enough for me. Let's go ahead and go back and try out the text to video tool. Describe the video content you want to generate or paste an article here. So this is going to be really interesting. So let's actually try and find an article to use here. So we're going to go ahead and use this article here. Scientists hack a computer using just the sounds of a CPU. Let's go ahead and paste the URL here, and it'll make an AI excerpt. We could choose a style of video, and again, I like this style, and we'll hit next. All right, so it's found all the content and a photo from the article, as well as the source. Let's go ahead and hit generate, and it's going to start generating the video. Now, ideally, this would be one of your articles, obviously, that you're translating into another format like social media. And let's see how this would turn out. So we have, not AI generated. Maybe the AI is picking which images and videos to use for this. And we can see that it's creating captions that include the article of what is an RSA. So it creates a video based on just the article itself. This is super useful if you've written a essentially research paper or something. You can paste it in here and it will create a video, a slideshow of that research paper using images that relate to the text. So I think that's a really cool system. And if it ever gets something wrong, like you're like, maybe this isn't the best image to use for this, you can change anything out just by clicking on the image down here and replacing it, and everything flows just like it did before. So that's where I'm going to stop the video for now. This product has a ton of really cool features. Shout out to FlexClip for hooking me up with this software to try out. I really enjoyed it, and I'm going to be using it to create subtitles for all of my videos, hopefully. And moving forward, I would like to start creating TikToks, Instagram shorts, YouTube shorts, and all that good stuff using FlexClip and using their AI tools to help me put together better content, better than this. You see this? I'm already messing up my words and everything. So to help me create better content and bring you more of the stuff you love. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.
Dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, Mike the Tech, yeah. Mike the Tech, the architect,